today me and my dad together are going to draw a bird. What you need is something to color, 2 papers if you have a marker so it doesn't go through, and a clipboard. All right, let's start. So first what you draw is a circle right here. And then draw a line like this. And draw something sort of this. And right here, connect to those. And then from here, draw a S. And then down here, draw a J like this. A U. And then down here, draw it like this. And then draw it like this. Like sort of a C, but at the top it's long. Like a L. And at here, draw sort of a line, but a curve. Yeah, a curve. And then right here, draw a C like this. And just do sort of a C, and then just make it down long. And up here, draw another one. And now draw a bigger one. So you can sort of start like this. Like that. Now up here, draw something like that. Like a C. And another one like this. And another one, copy that. And another one, copy that. And one more bigger one. Now, a I. A O, actually. Which is for his eye. And the circle. And color that in like this. Alright, now we can color. So I'll give you an idea. If you color this orange or yellow, that would be wonderful. And the wings blue, or you can leave it white. That would be wonderful too. How about this one? And this one. Alright. We're done coloring the beak and up this thing. Now we'll put our red and yellow away. And now we're going to color his feathers, wings. Now, some blue. Now let's color his wings. It's better if you do light blue softly. You can color however you like. The important part is to have fun. You can color like my dad on the lines only, or you can color like me, the full bird. Bye!